All right, guys, we're going to be drawing a super cute baby cow today. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure your paper is the tall way, up and down like this. So we're going to start with our cow's mouth first. So we're going to draw this curved line that comes up, and we're going to add this mark for our baby cow's smile. All right, awesome. Then we're gonna go ahead and draw the bottom of our cow's mouth, his chin or her chin. And then we're gonna draw the semicircle right above it. Then we need to draw our baby cow's nostrils. So we're gonna draw 2 more semicircles on the side of our semicircle. There's a lot of semicircles in this drawing. So we're gonna go ahead and color those in. All right, fantastic. Oh, let's add another curved line on the side to finish up our baby cow's smile. All right, let's move on to our baby cow's eyes. So we're going to draw this curved line that goes down and around, down and around. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Going to do the same thing on this side. All right. Now we just need to add some detail to the inside of our cow's eyes. So let's draw a circle. Draw a circle. Then we'll draw another circle. And another circle on the other side as well. And then we'll color it in. We're gonna leave the little circle white. We're gonna color in the slightly bigger circle. So leave the little circle white, color in the slightly bigger circle. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move on to the eyelashes. Now, baby cows have very long eyelashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and give mine a couple of those. Then we're gonna add the eyebrows. After the eyebrows, we're going to go ahead and draw the cheeks. We start near the bottom of the eyeball and go towards the mouth. I'm going to add an extra line right here in between the eyes. Then we'll go ahead and move on to the ears. So baby cows have very, very big ears. So we're gonna make these ears very long and very big. So here's one ear. We're gonna draw the same shape. It's kind of shaped like a leaf. So now we have both ears. But we need to add a little bit of detail to the inside of the ear. So we're going to draw a zigzag, and then curve all the way around and connect. So same thing on this side, zigzag, and curve all the way around. All right. Then we're gonna add a little bit of fur on the top of our baby cow's head. You could say that our baby cow has a cowlet going on. So now we're done with the head. We're gonna move on to the body. So we're gonna draw this line that goes out, it curves out, and then slightly curves back in. So it starts at the bottom of the head, curves out, and then slightly curves back in. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. So it curves out, and then slightly curves back in. All right, let's move on to drawing the legs. So we're gonna draw this straight line on this side, and then this straight line on that side. We're gonna leave a little bit of room for the hooves. We're gonna be drawing the hooves in a second. Then we're gonna draw this curved line on both sides. Curved line on both sides. Then we're gonna go down, down, and then we're gonna add this triangle shape. All right, we have one leg and one hoof. To complete our hoof, we're gonna add this line right here, this line right here, and we're just gonna do the same thing on this side again. So we're gonna curve down, up, down to make that triangle shape, curve, and then we're gonna connect them. And the last thing we need to do is just draw that line to finish the hoof. All right, we've got 2 legs done, 2 legs done. Now let's go ahead and color in those hooves. So I'm just gonna take my marker and color those in. I'm just gonna take my marker and color both of them in. All right, we have both of those done. Let's move on to the hind legs now. So we're gonna draw this curved line on the side. And we're gonna draw the rest of the leg and then the hoof. We're gonna do that same triangle shape from earlier. I know it's a little hard to see what I'm doing, but I'm doing the same exact thing we did on the other ones. And then I'm just connecting it back to the rest of the body. So we're gonna draw that line for the hoof again. Kind of slightly curved line. Kind of a slightly curved line. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in again. I'm gonna go ahead and color it in with my marker. All right, we only need one more leg. We only need one more leg. So we're gonna draw a line that goes out, curves in, and goes back and touches the hoof. And this one's gonna go behind the front legs. So we'll draw 2 straight lines, 2 straight lines, and only a little bit of that hoof is showing, just a tiny little smidge. So we're gonna draw a curved line and color in that itty bitty little section, for that hoof. All right, we are almost done drawing our cow, and he's turning out so cute. So we're gonna draw this curved line for his tummy, this curved line for his tummy, and then we just gotta draw the tail. So the tail, we're gonna draw 2 curved lines, and his tail's pretty skinny, but the top of his tail is gonna be kind of fluffy. So we're gonna draw a bunch of these little zigzag fluffy marks. And there we have it. we are officially done with our baby cow drawing. Now, cows can be all kinds of colors, but I gave mine some black spots. The inside of the ears are pink, and I made the snout pink as well. I hope you guys had fun with this, enjoy coloring, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!